Rosie Hardy, Hardy's Cottage Garden Plants. Today I'm going to talk about tall perennials. What you have to remember, a lot of you don't know how tall I am. I'm around about 5'4", 1m65-ish. I don't convert very easily. So this is Helianthus lemon queen. You can see this is putting on its buds. It's a lovely plant, it's fresh, it's standing up well, and it is budding really, really nicely. In the next 2 weeks, this is going to start flowering. It has a beautiful, large, lemon yellow daisy flower on it, and then it will flower right the way through the autumn period. Here are the buds just starting to put their petals on in here. They will colour up and they will be open. In behind all of the first buds are more buds, so it puts on a mass of colour. There are some really beautiful thalictrums which are tall, and this is one of the beautiful ones. This is Thalictrum Splendide. I really love this one. You get it in white and this colour, and it has these bobbles of buds, and they're just like balls hanging there, waiting to burst open and produce these lovely flowers here with these big anthers and everything else in there. Dark purple stems, beautiful fine foliage like this, and they stand up and they're really, really tall and elegant and beautiful in the garden. But this is not the tallest of them all. These are the beautiful buds. They're like little bells waiting to pop open, or balloons, and they go from that to the open flower with the lovely anthers in there, looking fantastic, and they flower for a long period. As I said, some thalictrums are even taller. This beautiful species is Roucha Brunianum. It's just coming to the end of its flowering period, but it's still tall and elegant. There are a few beautiful purple flowers hanging on, but look at the seeds here. They look brilliant as well. So it's up there looking good. Look at the dark purple stems, really fantastic, and it holds itself up incredibly well. Here are the seeds looking really, really beautiful, and a few of the last flowers just hanging on in there. Beautiful purple. Cephalaria. There are lots of different types of Cephalaria out here. This beautiful airy one is Cephalaria Alpena, and look, it is loved by the bees. This little bee here is just taking up all of that nectar that is in these beautiful scabious-like flowers. It's not a harsh yellow, it's a soft, creamy yellow, and it's on wiry stems. Big, wiry stems that stand up really tall, so they're above me in height, and the foliage is down low. I love this one because it's not huge, it's not a big thug, it's elegant, it's airy, it's beautiful for drier soils, full sun, and you get these amazing flowers, and even when it's just in bud, it looks wonderful. This Symphyotrichum is not very tall, but it will get taller later on. This is a late season Michaelmas daisy, which is going to have beautiful lilac flowers on every single part of this. It's a fantastic Symphyotrichum. This one is Dixter's variety. Stipa Gigantea, or the golden oat grass. This is just coming to the end of its flowers being fantastic. It's been in flower for a long, long time. It has done its pollinating. It has got rid of its beautiful seeds like this, and it is now just empty casts, but it still has architectural quality. The actual plant foliage is right down here and is just a clump at the bottom, which looks super as well. When all of these flower heads have died back down, you cut them off down into the bottom here, and you are left with the foliage. The foliage will stay semi-evergreen, but then in the spring you can cut it down to almost ground level and it will regrow, and then you'll get these beautiful flower heads coming up. Here is one of the heads which has not discarded its seed. If you pull the tail, out comes this amazing seed. That is the seed that it's going to grow from. This bit here, once it goes into the ground and it gets wet, this spirals and pushes it down into the soil.